need to remember to get that resource for the project I'm doing and make a solid contact in this field. Oh, I did a project like this about 5 years ago. Wait, where did you get that coat? Because I love it so much. My mom has one almost like it, and she does stuff like this, but you know, she doesn't like it. Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Do you guys always have snacks around here? There's so many vending machines out there. You know, if I worked here, I would be eating all the time. Do you want one? They're really, really good. Well, it's been really cold outside recently. It was warm for a while, but
yeah,
you know, snow setting in, yeah. It's starting to stick. Thank you. And how would I go about? Just kidding. I can figure it out myself. Well, I think I have all I need. So good to meet you. Thank you so much. I will send you an email letter this week.
Sounds great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much. Greg? Katie. Oh, hey, Katie.
Hi.
Actually, I had some questions about what we talked about